Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you're safe and doing well in your life. Today, I'm going to share 3 different aloe vera face scrubs to get glowing and spotless skin fast at home. So, if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and let's get started into the video.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
To prepare this aloe vera face scrub for glowing skin, our first ingredient is aloe vera. Next, we'll need 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. You can use any coffee powder which you have at your home. To prepare this aloe vera face scrub for glowing and spotless skin, we'll need 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. And lastly, we'll need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I am using aloe vera gel straight from a plant. You need to slit open the aloe vera leaf and extract the aloe vera gel from the leaf, as I am doing so with a knife. Slit open the aloe vera leaf and scrape out the aloe vera gel from the leaf with the help of a knife or a spoon. Aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin E and it helps in getting a natural glow to skin. It has various skin and hair care properties and it's been used since a long time. After adding aloe vera gel along with the other ingredients, you need to mix all the ingredients well with the help of spoon, like this. You can use this face scrub twice in a week. To use this aloe vera face scrub for glowing and spotless skin, take some amount of this face scrub and start massaging in circular motion gently for 5 to 6 minutes and let it stay for 3 to 5 minutes on your skin. Then wash it off with normal to cold water. This aloe vera face scrub will reduce and remove blackheads and whiteheads from your skin, along with giving it a glowing and spotless look. You can use this face scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. Just be very gentle while applying and using this face scrub. You can also use store-bought aloe vera gel instead of aloe vera gel from the plant if you want. If you don't have it at your home, so you can use that instead of this one. So give it a try. Now moving to our next face scrub, aloe vera and rice flower face scrub. For this face scrub, you'll need 1 aloe vera leaf. For this aloe vera and rice face scrub, you only need 1 slice of aloe vera and some rice flour. Rice flour soothes skin from sunburns and it helps to remove tan from skin very fast. Rice flour helps in fading away the dark patches around your mouth and in your face, along with skin discoloration. The combination of fresh aloe vera gel along with rice flour can also be applied as a face mask for glowing skin. To prepare this aloe vera and rice flour face scrub, you need 1 small slice of aloe vera leaf. Now you need to remove the spine or just slit open the aloe vera leaf from between. After slit opening the aloe vera leaf, you will get something like this. You can make some marks with the knife in the aloe vera leaf so that the gel comes out way more quickly and easily. Now sprinkle some rice flour on the aloe vera leaf. Now your aloe vera and rice flour face scrub is ready to apply. After sprinkling some rice flour on the aloe vera gel, now start massaging your face using this aloe vera face scrub in circular motion gently for good 5 minutes. You can add more rice flour if you want. Just be very gentle while applying this face scrub on your skin. Use this face scrub for good 5 minutes and let it stay for 5 minutes on your skin. You can use this face scrub 3 times in a week. After massaging for 5 minutes in a circular motion on your skin just like this as shown, let it stay for 5 minutes on your skin and wash it off with normal to cold water. For our third aloe vera face scrub for glowing and spotless skin, we'll need one small slice of aloe vera leaf. Now slit open the aloe vera leaf from between as done previously. To prepare this aloe vera face scrub for glowing and spotless, you will need some sugar granules. Now sprinkle some sugar granules on the aloe vera leaf like this and start massaging in circular motion on your skin. Cover your entire face with this face scrub and massage for good 2 to 3 minutes gently. Be very gentle while massaging your skin with this face scrub and let it stay for 2 to 3 minutes on your skin and wash it off with normal to cold water. You can use this face scrub 2 to 3 times in a week. It will remove blackheads, whiteheads from your skin and make your skin clear, glowing and spotless. It will improve your skin complexion and will give you a glowing and spotless look very fast. If you find this aloe vera face scrub helpful, then please like my video and please do subscribe to my channel.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her.